Using the Bunzee band is pretty straightforward. It is possible to get the hair caught here on this bead, so you really want to be careful to keep your hair away from this bead. I'll show you a little trick on how to avoid that. So first, you want to make sure that the bead is all the way at the end, especially if you have a lot of hair. That way it's easier to pull this back. Then you want to raise the Bunzee up to the forehead level. Pull the bead back, and you want to use your finger. This is the trick. You want to use your finger to avoid your hair getting caught. Then you can pull the bead towards your head. Then once it's here on your forehead, all you have to do is move it upward, away from the forehead. And to get the puff updo, I also do the same to the back. And just style as desired. One thing that you do want to avoid is you see these two strands that hang loose here. What you don't want to do is to pull them apart. It's very possible for your hair to get stuck in the bead. So remember, if you need to adjust, you can always pull back. Once you have the Bunzee band bead away from your forehead, then you want to come back with your finger in between. There it is. For some people, it'll take some practice, but you have to try these. It will literally change your life, especially if you suffer from headaches and migraines.